on the news. Looked in the mirror, then realized that I had something to prove. You told me, don't be like me. Just finish watching.
Hey, come get me then, nigga.
Which is funny now.
Alright, so what happened?
And I run it. And I run it. And I run it. And I run it.
Dude, why not? Why can't we just go drink? Oh, come on, Matt. Are you serious, Matt? Woo! What a dumbass. Did he burn his... Oh, it smells so fucking bad. Turn it off. Turn it off. Ow. Oh. Oh, shit. That smells so bad. What the fuck is this?
He didn't put water in it.
He didn't put water. He's trying to cook. Woo. Matt, you fucked up.
Oh, shit.
I can't fucking breathe. Okay, that's not it, kid's fault right there. He's trying to make top ramen. Oh, it smells so goddamn bad. All right, I'm gonna go back downstairs.
It smells so sorry. Matthew.
Woo!
You can't
Randomly bring the camera.
He's the master, bro. You torched. So torched. It's like completely black.
Oh my god. All right, I'm going downstairs.
Yeah, dude, it smelled awful.
I was dying, dude.
We went up there.
Yeah.
That was, see, good thing I brought my cam. He was gonna burn down Riley. Oh.
Ashley.
Ashley, yeah, she was chill with it. That was funny. That shit was good.
fucking do that.
We got some drama.
You know what, bitch? You wanna go? I'm not in the mood. Next,
I'll kick you back. Just shut it one more time.
do it.
What's happening?
And I run it.